guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you something really special. Okay, so this is going to be my first giveaway, guys, and I'm sure you definitely want to have this. It's a great product and I'm going to be announcing the winner by first week of June. Okay, so you need to keep looking out for the videos when I post by first week of June. And now the game rules, the giveaway rules, sorry. What you have to do is you have to leave a comment and give me a thumbs up on this video and the last 5 videos that I've done. Please take a screenshot of all of that and send it to my email address, which is Sonali, SONALIKAPOOR08 Also, my email address is down in the description box below. You can check that out. So once you do that, it's very simple. Just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on this video, and the last 5 videos that I've posted, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment there. Take a screenshot and send it across to me, and by first week of June I will be announcing 2 winners and we'll be getting this amazing giveaway. Are you guys excited? I am super excited to send this to you guys. So let's get started. Let me show you something first before I get started. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to remove this side of the rubber band and this one, and it opens up like this. I think you guys can see easily, right? Okay, now let's see what this box is. It has another rubber band, and you open, you have something right here. You have something right here too. And did you see the mechanism? It's with the rubber band. The box opens and the box is closed by putting it back. All right, but what do we do with this? What are these pockets? There are 2 rotators and you have some values right here. Okay, but what's this? Let's check it out, okay? Let's open this and whoa, did you guys see that? That's amazing, right? Wow. I love every time I open this and it comes out. Now let's take the rubber band back in from here and put it back. So guys, you checked out the game, the way I opened it and the way the balls were coming out, and I'm sure you're now intrigued and excited to know more about it, right? So we're going to talk about Smartivity and the amazing products that it's a venture of IIT Delhi alumni, and we are totally in love with them. I think the first box that we picked up for Vivan was 1.5 years back. My eyes have been on them for a couple of years now, but I never got a chance because I stay in US. So every time somebody's coming or going, only then I pick it up. Okay, so this is how exactly the box looks like, and this is an odd even shooting game. The product is made up of high quality engineered wood. It's non-toxic and it's safe for children. It's a total DIY, and I would say the best part about it is that all those parents who were asking me to do STEM based projects or robots or games that Vivan has been trying out, this is so far the best that we have liked. So Smartivity from India is I'm highly recommending. Let me just tell you more about this game before I brag about how amazing they are. So it comes in a cardboard box, and the box is extremely well made. There are no rough edges. It comes up with a discount voucher, like a 15% off every time you buy. This is one time, and there's a code that you can use to buy that. Then you have the instructions, just about them, the feedback, and something about the co-founders is just right here. And then I'm just showing you how we have used and we have created this. So generally each and every piece comes in a block like this. So as you can see, it's all wood and all the pieces are right here. You have to flip them out and you have to then assemble them. But how do you assemble them? It comes with the odd and even shooting game instruction booklet. So when I say instruction booklet, guys, this is an epic booklet because there's nothing as easy as this book. Every step that they have shown is extremely simple. So they have shown you sheet 1. So the numbers of the sheet, it comes up as sheet 1, sheet 2. Like this says sheet 3, 131. And then they show you how to separate the parts out from here, how to remove the wooden bits, and it tells you how to attach the pieces. So you have different number of sheets, and then you have all these pieces very nicely die cut. So none of the pieces are just going to fall off or it's going to break, no ways. Then all the extra pieces, they come in small individual pouches, and we still have I think Vivan was still working on them, or few. So like these small pouches with all the rubber bands or all the balls, they come in that, and it's extremely well packed and well managed. Of course, make sure if you have younger kids in the house and if your elder one is making it, make sure that somebody's around the child so that they don't swallow the small pieces. So it came with a hook, ring, red straw, so exactly everything that you need to make the book. They show you what you're building in the beginning. It's an odd and even shooting game, and then step by step they show you the whole process. But that's not it. That's not it. Because you're making odd and even, they have a concept. So once your game is ready, they show you, okay, so that's how the finished product looks like. When you exactly you saw how our game was looking like. That's our game, and this is the finished product. But what they show you how this game can be played in different ways. So like just not 4 in a row, but like with odd and even, and then with points. There are 3 or 4 different ways that you can play with this game. And definitely it comes with an odd and even learning manual. Like they actually show you, they teach you, and there are some activities to do odd and even right here. So I think that's a very great part. The 2 things that I love about them is, first of all, it's built to play set. You're building a game yourself by looking at the instructions. So this said 8+, but Vivan is 7, and he made this a couple of months back on his own. He didn't need any help at all. So because that was his second project. In his first project, he definitely needed help to understand what was going around. And that also he was, I think he was 5.5 when he did his first project, but now he's much more confident. The best part is that there are many options that are available on their website. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can check. I'm waiting for the Mechanics hand that they have just launched. That's a robo hand. I don't have the box with me, but I definitely I'm going to review that too. One more thing that I'm going to show you is another game that I'm just showing this to you that we made, was a tap and track liver maze. If you can see this was do it yourself, and this is a great game. I like Vivan loves this because every time he can play. So you have the pockets, you have to build the whole thing on your own, and the best part is the mechanism, like every time it goes. So just like this, if I have to take the cube to the dice here, so the shape is here and the end product is here, you have to take this to here. Okay, so let's see if I can. I'm sorry, I was out already. So it takes a lot of effort to get the ball rolling from here to here. It comes with a lot of different options. I don't have the options with me right now. I don't know why, I'm sorry. But I would say it's a highly recommended product. So you have all the details on the box right here. What is Smartivity? It says founded by IIT alumni, making learning fun, innovation hub, engagement driven, children's activity toy designers, linking theory, and the benefits of Smartivity. It builds stronger fundamentals, inspires innovation approach, enhances creative intelligence, develops analytical intelligence, engage body and mind, creates increased awareness, and so on. I really think that they actually do all these things, and I would really recommend you guys to try it out. But you do not have to worry. If I am giving 2 boxes as Smartivity free, as a freebie or as a giveaway, all you have to do is you have to like this video, leave a comment, and the last 5 videos you have to leave a comment, send me screenshots on my email address, which is again on the description box below, and you can win a box. 2 people can win one box each for their kids. Isn't that amazing, guys? Okay, before I knock off, I need to read you something that Vivan wrote. It says he actually did a review for his school about a game that he really likes, and he has written, if you love building and playing with things, you should definitely try out Smartivity building set. Instructions are easy to follow. It is made of engineered wood, non-toxic for children, safe wood. The best part is to play with. Some people try out Smartivity, they find it difficult and they give up. But the key to success is to keep trying. Unlike other construction games, it is not easily breakable. You do not have to worry about rebuilding it, just have fun playing with it over and over again. I think Smartivity has the best build to play set. Next time you are in the mood to build something, try out Smartivity. There's nothing more I can say. You can see he has given 5 points to the game. He has made the game right here. Before I sign out, let me show you exactly how do you play this, okay? And that's the fun part. So you take the green ball, put it in here, a blue ball, put it in here. Now you aim, remove the peg box from here, and your aim is to get in here, okay? Oh my God. Whoa, I got in there. Okay, so let's see. You can try and do some more. I got that. So guys, isn't that fun? I think this is a great activity for kids, and let me know if any one of you have already used it. I would be happy to hear your reviews. But trust me, this is one of the best sets, and if you're looking to gift or ask your family members to give something to your kids, definitely ask for them. You can ask these boxes from them. Thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you want to see some more amazing content, some more amazing giveaways. And I can't wait to hear what you guys feel about this game. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.